And now new details in the 1996 murder case of Karen Slover. The Illinois Innocence Project says more crime scene evidence needs to be tested for DNA. Karen Slover was murdered 28 years ago. She was dismembered, put into garbage bags, and thrown into Lake Shelbyville. In 2002, a jury convicted her ex-husband, Michael Slover Jr., and his parents, Michael Slover Sr. and Jeanette Slover, of murder. And now, more than 25 years later, the Illinois Innocence Project is working to get the case reopened and try to prove the Slovers are innocent. Fox Illinois' Carolina Hassett was in the courtroom today and has more.
It's a case that's looking to get reopened more than 20 years later. The Illinois Innocence Project was in the courtroom fighting to prove the Slovers' innocence. However, the state is still standing on the decision it made years ago. Lawyers for the Illinois Innocence Project say Michael Slover Jr., Michael Slover Sr., and Jeanette Slover didn't kill Karen. And they say evidence used to convict them in 2002 needs to be retested.
We found additional evidence that we believe supports the fact that they're innocent and that they deserve relief.
The Illinois Innocence Project got involved with the case in the early 2000s. Since then, they've asked the court to retest items of evidence used to convict the family, including duct tape on the bags Karen was found in. Lawyers asked the court to test more evidence for DNA during Thursday's hearing and asked the judge to give the state's attorney 1 month deadline to respond.
We want to give the state an opportunity to respond. Obviously, we like this matter to move forward.
The judge granted a continuance of 30 days, something the state feels may not be enough time.
When we asked for 90 days for review because they've taken 8 years, they objected and wanted it done sooner. I don't know why it's a great urgency when it's taken them this long to get to their point.
The Slovers' attorney told me they are hoping the state reviews the petition and takes it seriously.
We believe the Slovers are innocent, and we're going to continue to investigate and present all the evidence we can to the court to demonstrate that they're innocent and that they deserve a new trial.
While the state plans on continuing to support their previous decision and fight for the justice of Karen Slover.
A jury, after an extensive trial, found they were guilty. And for the justice for Karen Slover, we can't just let this go.
Now, the mother, Jeanette Slover, is the only one still serving time in prison. Her husband, Michael Slover Sr., died in 2022 while in prison, and their son, Michael Slover Jr., Karen's ex-husband, was released on parole back in March. In Decatur, I'm Carolina Hassett. Back to you.
Thank you, Carolina. The next court date will be November 14th. Don't miss a video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today for more Central Illinois news.